Today we're breaking down how using Affirm can impact your credit score, so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1. Understand soft versus hard credit checks. When you apply for Affirm Farm financing, they usually perform a soft credit check. This doesn't affect your credit score and is just to pre-qualify you. Step 2. What happens after approval? Once you're approved and start using Affirm, they may report your payment activity to credit bureaus. Making on-time payments can help build your credit history positively. Step 3. Late payments and impact. Missing payments or paying late might be reported too, which can negatively impact your credit score, so always try to pay on time. Step 4. Credit score changes are gradual. Keep in mind, credit score changes from Affirm won't happen overnight. Consistent, responsible use over time is what matters most. Step 5. Affirm and hard credit checks. If you apply for larger loans or certain products, Affirm might do a hard credit check. This can cause a small temporary dip in your score. Step 6. Monitoring your credit score. It's a good idea to monitor your credit regularly to see how Affirm usage affects it. Many apps and services offer free credit score tracking, and that's the quick overview of how Affirm can impact your credit score.